Hey guys, I'm in the Walmart parking lot and I'm gonna go on in and see if they have any new fall stuff in. I'm gonna get some veggies. I want some collard greens. See if they have some fresh collard greens. I haven't been able to see any good ones yet. It's really gonna be about September, October before we really get the good crop, if we get a good crop this year. So go in, see what's going on, and I'll bring you guys along, as long as there's not any music, because they like to play Katy Perry in here. Katy Perry don't play, honey. You'll get a copyright strike on Miss Katy Perry. All right, so guys, I'll see you in a little bit. Okay guys, so thank you so much for viewing my video. I'm so thankful that you stopped by the channel, and don't forget to like, comment, share, subscribe, and hit that bell notification so you'll be notified when I upload any new content. All right, see you in my next video. Bye, Mom.